Morning folks, doing a mini challenge for Ben for the Simmons graded checkerboard where the first three are getting spots in the main. Challenge live. Our list has Robert to Dale. Copy that list in the randomizer 11:21 AM local time. Robert on top and Dale at the bottom. Dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's a 7. Looking for the top 3, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times Dale, Robert, Faraheen on top. We got 11:22. One more time. Here we go. Spot 1. Spot 10. Sorry, Dale, Faraheen, and spot 1. Robert getting the spots to the main. Verification code at the bottom. We had to go 7 times and did go 7 times, and there is our top 3. Congrats. Challenge complete. Good luck in the main.